Simpleton.
Okay, go.
4, 5. Okay, first level, spell my name. S O F I A. That's how to spell my name. So how do you spell my name? Sure. N O A. Okay, now it's my turn. Okay. Since I think I'll help with it, you get to meet my flashlight. And you get to meet my flashlight too. So that means I get to show you something that's really special. His name is Vector. And watch this. My name is Prince. My name is Princess. And you get back to your body and do this. Now, since we all did our things today, what about we celebrate? No, we gotta get our flashlights. We gotta put on our flashlights and dance. Should we turn off the lights? Everybody turn off the lights. Now until we all turn off the lights. Now until we all turn off the lights. Where's this one go? Where's he? On the count of 3, we're gonna say boo.
Bathroom.
1, 2, 3. Do we get?